So how to use image cleanup with the Apple Intelligent in your latest ISO 18. If I select this one, then you can see it's automatically removed. Now you can save this image as a new file, and if I go to my old iPhone, then you can see there is no option for cleanup. So for that you have to enable or update your phone with the latest ISO 18. This is my ISO 18 version phone, and in this phone I am using ISO 17. You see, so you have to update your phone with the latest ISO 18, and then you can access your cleanup. And if you don't know how to update, go to your setting and update, and if there you don't find, then go to your developer apple.com, and you have to log into your iCloud account. Go to this three dotted, then press on account, then you have to log into your iCloud account, and it will automatically update with the ISO 18. So now let's check the performance.